Yeah. Would it be cool to say?
Hi guys! So today is August 5. It's the first day of senior year and grabe, senior na ako. I can't believe it. Like, it's still sinking in. Last night, I was so nervous for my first day kasi kinakabahan ako sa subjects ko and sa schedule ko, which ako naman pumili, pero I don't know, it's gonna be a challenge for me. Yeah, by the way, my left cheek is quite swollen since I got my wisdom teeth removed last week. So, if napapansin yung parang chipmunk right now, that's because I got my wisdom teeth removed. But it's healing na, so it will die down na rin. I actually don't have any classes today. I was supposed to have my 9:30 class earlier, but nag-announce si sir na we'll meet on Friday na lang. But I'm still going to school right now. It's like 12:51. And I'm going to handle my load revision request since I want to switch one of my classes or one of my electives. And then after that, I have an org meeting, which is from 5 to 8. I'm gonna be quite busy with orgs. And I'm nervous rin kasi it's senior year, so ang dami kailangan gawin, but hopefully kayanin ko naman. And let's manifest good grades, let's manifest enjoyable classes, and let's manifest a good semester and school year. I forgot to manifest na sana magkaroon din ako ng parking slot kasi it's just 1 a.m. It's just 1 p.m. I checked 3 parking areas na and I'm going to JSEC kasi wala na. But yeah, di makausad kasi ang daming cars in front of me. I think uwian na ng mga bata. So, good luck to me. I did not miss this talaga. I hate parking in Ateneo. Sana turuan mo siya paano magmahal.
Hindi ko na alam paano magmahal.
Ay.
Ayan o.
Isa lang. So, pag nawala to, wala na.
Say hi.
Mga intruders.
Hello.
Intruders.
Happy first day.
Happy first. Hello, happy last
Happy
birthday.
last birthday.
Ako eh.
May first day pa tayo sa second sem.
Happy last birthday yung first time, okay na?
Hindi mo kasi yung time. Kasi kapag second sem, parang nag-start.
Oo.
na tayo.
Anyway, dito kami sa condo ni Ken.
Hi guys. It's our last first day as Ateneo students.
Yes.
Undergraduate.
Nagluluto sila ng lunch. Ipagluluto kami ni Michelle ng samyang.
Pagluto ko si Kim. For soup. Nang walang sauce.
So, ano po feeling maging master chef?
Hindi ko alam. Parang kasing, alam mo yung inborn na to. Hello guys. We're here at Ken's condo. I'm cooking.
Bunga ng pagiging ng English lesson. What's your antibody?
Enjoy ko magbasa ngayon. Parang everyday goal ko dapat may chapter ako na nababasa.
I mean, anong
Pero what-
binabasa mo? Like, ano siya?
Grammar book.
Grammar book or novel?
Both. Everyday.
Yes. Buti ko siya.
Nice. Guys, you know what's abhor?
What's a bore?
Abhor means to hate, so I abhor you. Because
Ay?
I hate you.
You hate me?
That's for example only. I don't hate you.
What toys do you own, Ken?
Oh, what toys do I own? I own Play-Doh.
Show us your...
Show us your
Oh,
toys.
look at my toys, my toys. My toys. Here, look at my toys, look at my toys.
Kaya ano mga edit ko, sorry, parang naka-blur.
So, do you play with them at night?
I don't play with them at night, but they move themselves.
Okay, taste test ng gawa ni Michelle.
Hindi ka nakaabot kayo sa Domingo?
Hindi, yung plano ko talaga sa akin.
Sorry bang natupar niyo?
Sige, kain ka muna.
Kaya sige lang ako
Say hi, guys. Say hi.
Mag-shampoo.
Hi. Good morning, y'all. Joke lang. Not me trying to be a sneer. Hi guys, good morning. It's the next day. It's August 6th and it's, I would call it my official first day kasi today I actually have classes unlike yesterday na na-cancel. So, today's my first day. I have 2 classes today but supposedly I have 3 but the other one cancelled. We'll meet next week na lang. So today we'll have Soksai And then I have tax later. I don't like tax. I hated tax last year. It's currently 7:16 and I'm in Ateneo na. I left the house like an hour ago and sobrang grabe yung traffic. Mas grabe yung traffic inside. Like, I'm telling you, the cars in front of me, insane. I know I'm part of the traffic too. I acknowledge my privilege. But insane talaga. Grabe yung traffic kahit nang aga pa. I hope you guys will have a great day. Manifesting that I'll have a great day today as well. Since may org meeting na naman ako mamaya. At every day yata kami magkikita ng mga ka-org ko this week. Insane. And then after, I'm going to be going to my friend's birthday, Ia's birthday. Happy birthday, Ia, if you're watching this. And yan, umuusan na yung car. So, yeah, see you guys later. I went to Gons kasi it's finally renovated. Kasi I looked around. I was looking for coffee. Walang coffee. First day off para makasan of their drinks. I'm craving for Tomo. Sabi nila may Tomo. Wala naman pala. Mapabili na lang sa friends ko. Yeah, I'm just walking to my class. It's at TTC 105. Gonna save my friends a seat na. It's pretty early, like 7:30 ba naman. But whatever.
Sa counter na.
Thank you! Hi guys! Back to love. Ay, isa lang! Basic. Guys, we're here at the new Gons. Hi guys! And ang liwanag na niya compared to last year. The hard times? Yes, for sure. Yeah.
Ay, live yan.
Sorry po sa nagla-live. Mga papansin lang po kami.
Seniors na
hindi nyo na kami makikita. Exactly.
Vlog.
Hello.
Say hi. Hello. Hello. Parang lahat na nag-vlog.
Here we go, Lord. Bakit na naman ulo ko? Jeanette? Magde-decide na kami saan kami pupunta this summer.
Uy, gusto ko na yung mag-vlog.
Pero sana mag-decide talaga kami.
Sana matuloy kasi taon nyo namin.
Hindi na tuloy.
Ayusin nyo naman.
Taon nyo namin kahit bowling, hindi man matuloy.
No.
We are bowling
Ay, nag-bowling.
Nag-bowling tayo.
Si Frida pala yung wala.
Ilan taon?
So, maglilista kami ng places. And then, kung ano yung last na mabunot, yun yung pupuntahan.
Sige, local.
Oo.
Kahit ano.
Pag ito,
Budget friendly ah. Budget friendly. Budget friendly.
Pag may nagsulat ng Europe.
Baka may mag-UK.
Kaya, baka London nilagay.
Serious business. Okay, dapat magbabasa for tax. Pero, honestly, I don't know anong aaralan ko. Kasi we're not sure if ano yung quiz na. And may demanda na. Sa fail, hindi kami makakalaro kasi book na by SM ticket. So, wow! Hi guys! Hi to my vlog. Hi there! Your turn. Number ka na. Hi guys! So today is August 9. It's a Saturday and I have no class today, but it's finally LM Drive Day! Woo! This is like my first baby or first project for the school year. So I'm so excited. I hope everything goes well. I hope di umulan para di masira yung other plans. But yeah, I'm so excited. This will be my last LM drive. Oh my god! Yeah, I've been actively involved in this project for like 3 years. So this is my last LM drive. Oh my god. It's too early to be emotional. We have an early call time since we have to set up, but it will start a bit later. So yes, I'm just wearing a plain white shirt kasi magpapalit naman ako later. I hope everything goes well.
Guys, sabay ba? Hi guys. So, it's finally LM Drive. Finally, God! Sabi ko, sumali ako ng LM Drive kasi chill-chill lang siya. Grabe, ang daming nangyayari for some reason.
Progs heavy talaga ang LM Drive. Closer to a moment, guys. From Progs Deputy nung 2nd year to PM nung 3rd year. EV in charge ng 4th year.
Ako naman, ayaw pa to. Ako naman, Fast nung 2nd year.